This is example 3 of section 3.4. In triangle ABC, we are given angle A, angle C, and side B. Determine the area of triangle ABC to the 1 decimal place. So we are going to begin by just drawing a little sketch to organize our information. And I'm going to label our triangle A, B, C. We have angle A is 58 degrees. Angle C is 74. And we are given side B is 6. And from our notation from earlier classes, side B is the one opposite angle B. So this would be 6, side B. We are going to begin by just finding the third angle there. We are given 2 angles. So angle B is 180, subtract 58, subtract 74, and we end up with angle B is 48 degrees. We are looking for the area of a triangle. So the area of a triangle, recall, is our base times our height divided by 2. There are many ways to kind of answer this question, many solutions. I'm just going to show you one. I'm going to call this side AB the base of our triangle. So I'm going to label that X. And I'm going to just draw in the height of this triangle, which is perpendicular to the base. So we need to find the base X and the height of this triangle in order to find the area. First of all, we're going to find X using law of sines. X, the unknown side, we do know that opposite angle from that side is 74. And we also know a pair. We know side B and angle B. X over the sine of 74 degrees is 6 over sine 48. We are solving for X, so we want to get rid of this sine 74. We are going to multiply both sides. So we have 6 over sine of 48 times the sine of 74. Because when we multiply sine 74 to both sides, of course, we've done lots of this now, that cancels out, and we are left with X. Plugging that into our calculator, we get X to be 7.8 centimeters. So the other thing we need is the height. I'm going to add this in my diagram, 7.8. We need the height of the triangle. So we need to look at the information given. What we're going to focus on now is this right triangle, going back to our SOHCAHTOA. So we are given angle 58. We know the opposite side. Let's add that in. We have the opposite side of that angle. And we know the hypotenuse of that little triangle. And just to help you organize your information, I'll just kind of redraw this. We have a 58 degree angle here. We're looking for the height, and we are given this side 6. So we are going to use the sine because we have opposite and hypotenuse. The sine of 58 degrees is the opposite side h over the hypotenuse 6. We are going to multiply both sides by 6 because we are looking for h. So h is 6 times the sine of 58 degrees. Again, plugging that into our calculator, we get a value of 5.1 centimeters. We now have the base. So again, we have the base and the height, and now finally it's just a matter of calculating the area. Just down here, so we have the area of our triangle, base times height, divided by 2. The base is 7.8, multiplied by the height, 5.1, divided by 2. And again, just plugging that into our calculator, we get an area of 19.9 centimeters squared. So this is one possible solution. In our completed notes, there are a couple other options to solve this problem. If you want to refer to those, they are in your classroom.